Hello my bunnies, welcome back. As you can see, it is Halloween time and today we are making some homemade, obviously, unicorn blood. So it's a little darker than what I'm wearing today, but it is so delicious and it's actually featured in my new cookbook called Spooky Food. It's coming out next year, but I figured it's Halloween, so I may as well show you guys one of the recipes. So let's get started. Okay, so first you want to combine some cream soda, some pineapple juice, and some freeze-dried raspberries in a bowl. And if you don't have freeze-dried raspberries, because they're like a little strange, that's okay. Just grab some raspberries, mash them together, strain them through a mesh sieve or some cheesecloth, and just use the juice. Then add 1 or 2 drops of purple food coloring, and this makes it look like a gross color, but that's okay. We kind of want that because it's supposed to be blood, but like special blood because it's unicorn. And now we are going to add some pink and purple pearl dust. So I also call this luster dust on my channel, but I think that if you're looking it up like on Amazon, the official name is pearl dust. It looks like a lot, but don't worry, you can't taste it at all. And it gives it this really, really cool shimmer. And then just use a funnel to pour it into some test tubes. And before you're serving, to make it look the most shimmeriest as it can be, give it a little stir and you'll see it swirl, and it is so pretty. And you are done. So isn't this the coolest thing? It's like a purpley color because us unicorns are extra fancy, and like we don't have time for that red blood, we have purple glittery blood. And when you give it a quick stir, it looks all shiny on the inside. So all that's left to do is brush the bangs out of my eyes because this wig is too long for my face. And let's try it. It tastes like pink. If you're wondering what it tastes like, it's very, very sweet and very, very unicorn. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you liked this recipe. If you'd like some other Halloween recipes, I have a huge playlist and I will link it in the cards right here for you guys to check out. I never want to take this makeup off. I think it's so fun. But this wig is going to be gripped off in about 5 minutes. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I don't know what to say, but I don't want to stop filming because like this is so much fun. Anyways, I'll link the wig down below. I got it from Amazon, as well as these little things that my dogs keep trying to steal. And yeah, I'll see you guys next week for another recipe. And happy Halloween. Be safe, social distance. Just because it's Halloween doesn't mean that everyone is healthy. So you have to make sure that you stay safe. And yeah, comment down below, tell me what you are wearing this year, what you're dressing up as for Halloween. So yeah.